Hi my dear children, good morning. Welcome back to our English class. How are you all? Everyone are playing. You are enjoying your holidays, na? Very good. Also you had to study. Only playing is not enough for you people, na? Yes, you had to learn also. So in the yesterday class, I have given you the homework. What homework I have given? What homework teacher gave? Forgot it. Isn't it? Forgot it, huh? No, na? Yes, you have recalled. What we have completed? Introduction of the lesson. Which lesson we are going to start now? Veggie world. Which lesson we are going to start now? Veggie world. In the yesterday class, what we have learned? In the yesterday class, what type of vegetables we have learned? Shall we recall it now? Yes, what is the first one? Potato. See, I can recall. Then what about you? You are also getting now? Okay, tell me now. How total we are having 8 pictures. 8 vegetables we have learned in the yesterday class. So now we shall recall the vegetables names. Okay. What is the first picture? Potato. You should not see the books. Okay. Say here. We just casually we shall recall the names. Okay. First is potato. What is the second one? It is very fat like your cheeks. What is that? Pumpkin. Potato, pumpkin. And what is the third one? It is having so many leaves. If we take out one, another will come. If we take out second one also, still more it will come whenever we are taking out. What is that? Cabbage. Very good. Potato, pumpkin, cabbage. What is the fourth picture? See, so many fingers it is having. Ginger. Very good. Very good. What is that? Ginger. What is the fifth picture? What are these? Ladies. These are the fingers. So, lady's finger. What is the sixth one? After lady's finger, what we have learned? Bottle gourd. What is that? Bottle gourd. After bottle gourd, cauliflower. After cauliflower, peas. Once again, shall we recall it? Potato, pumpkin, cabbage, ginger, lady's finger, bottle gourd, cauliflower and peas. Yeah, we have completed recalling the vegetables. Now who will say the names? You have to say the spellings of that. Shall we repeat it? First one, Potato. 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 Second one. What is second one? Pumpkin. 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 Oh, very good. You all learn the names of the vegetables. Very good. Third one. Cabbage. 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 Fourth one, ginger. 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 Fifth one, lady's finger. Lady apostrophe s. Ladies. Finger. Ladies finger. Sixth one, bottle gourd. Bottle. Bottle gourd. Seventh one, cauliflower. 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 Last one, peas. Peas. Very good. You all learned well. So now we shall start the lesson. Okay. In the lesson, like you people, a small child is there. What the name of the girl? Mona. Mona and her mother are going to the market. How they are going and what they are getting from the market, we shall see in this today's class. Okay. Take your textbooks and open page number 34. What is that? Page number 34. See here, she is the yellow dress. She had wear the yellow dress. What's the name of that girl is? Mona. And beside her her mother is there. Mona and her mother. And Mona is holding the basket in her hand. Where they are going? Let us see now. Do you go with your parents to buy vegetables? Do you go with your parents to buy vegetables? Have you any time visited to the market? When your parents are going to the market, you will cry, "No, I will also come, mummy." You will say, "Na?" Then your parents sometimes will say, "No need, I will bring you fruits or chocolates." They will say and they will make you to stop at home only, isn't it? Yes, but if you can go to the market with your parents. Okay, this time you had to go to the market with your parents. You should not go alone. You should go with your parents only. Okay. How many names of vegetables can you recall in 1 minute? In 1 minute, say any vegetables. How many vegetables can you say? You people are cheaters. Just now we have learned, na? Tell me now. Firstly, come on, tell me. Potato, tomato, cabbage, pumpkin, still ginger, lady's finger, bottle gourd, cauliflower, and peas and beans. Still what? Yeah, like this, so many types of vegetables we can recall. But if you don't know, you can practice that. Okay. In 1 minute, how many we have recalled? 9. 9 vegetables we have recalled in 1 minute. Now come to the lesson. It is a bright summer morning. So which season is there in the lesson? Summer season. Which season? Summer season. In summer season, how the sunlight will be there? Very dim, huh? It is very light color, huh? No, it is very dark. The sun will be bright, very shiny, isn't it? So it is a bright summer morning. Mona and her mother are going to the market. Who are going to the market? Mona and her mother. Both were going to the market. Why they are going? To buy some vegetables. Mona and her mother were going to the market. Why? To buy the vegetables. To buy some vegetables. Mona looks around the greengrocer's shop. So Mona is looking after entering to the market. Mona is looking where is the green types of vegetables are there. So in this way she is searching around the market. In the market, huh? No, in grocery is nothing but in market where the vegetables are there. There she is searching where the green color vegetables are there. So she is searching. She sees many vegetables with lovely colors. So what she had observed, she is seeing so many vegetables with lovely colors. All the vegetables are only in green color. No. Then all the vegetables are in yellow color. All the vegetables will be in yellow color only, na? Then how can we identify? No. So many types of vegetables are there. For the vegetables, there are so many colors. For example, if pumpkin is in yellow color, tomato will be in red color. If tomato is in red color, lady's finger will be dark green color. If the lady's finger is dark in color, bottle gourd will be light green in color, isn't it? So in this way there are so many different colors are there with different vegetables. So who is seeing this? Who saw the different colors of vegetables? Mona. So once again repeating, it is a bright summer morning. Mona and her mother are going to the market to buy some vegetables. Mona looks around the greengrocer's shop. She sees many vegetables with lovely colors. So it was a bright summer morning. Who are going to the market? Mona and her mother both are going to the market. Why they are going to the market? To bring some vegetables. To buy some vegetables, they are going to the market. Then what the Mona is doing? She is searching some green color vegetables in market. Not in market, sorry, in grocery shop. So where the vegetables are there in the shop, she is searching a green color vegetables. So she found there not only the green but so many different colors, so many beautiful colors of vegetables she had found there. Mona's mother picks up a small pumpkin. So what Mona's mother did? She took a small pumpkin. What she took up? A pumpkin. Is it a big or small? It is a small pumpkin and keeps it in the basket. So while they are going to the market, they were carrying a basket with them. So Mona's mother took the small pumpkin and she put in the basket. It is dark yellow in color. What's the color of the pumpkin? Dark yellow in color. So who picks up the pumpkin? Mona's mother picks up the pumpkin and she put in a basket. What's the color of the pumpkin? Dark yellowish color. Next, can I have this carrot, mother? Mona is asking to her mother, Mother, can I have this carrot? So she want to eat the carrot. So she is taking permission of her mother to buy the carrot. Ask Mona, it looks nice. So Mona is telling to her mother, Mother, I need this carrot. Shall I take this one? It is very nice. So now I will ask you the questions. So what her mother is going to tell? Do she tell to take the carrots or not? Yes or no? We don't know. So in the next class we had to discuss that. Okay. So now I will ask the questions from the part which we have discussed now. Okay. Who and who are going to the market? Who are going to the market? Mona and her mother. Both are going to the market. Why they are going? To buy chips packets, huh? Then what? To buy fruits, huh? No, then yes, to buy some vegetables. To buy vegetables, they are going to the market. So after reaching the market shop, what Mona is doing? She is searching the green colored vegetables. Which color vegetables she is searching? Green colored vegetables she is searching. So while she is searching, what she observed? She observed very beautiful, very lovely colors of vegetables. So many different kinds of colors of vegetables she had found in the groceries shop, isn't it? What color she found? Only the green color vegetables, huh? No, she found so many different kinds of vegetables she had found there, and as well as she found very lovely colors also. Okay. Then first, what the Mona's mother picked up? Yes, she picked up a pumpkin. What's the size of a pumpkin? Is it a small or a very big pumpkin? She took very big pumpkin, huh? Yes, huh? No, she took very small pumpkin. And where she kept? She picked up the small pumpkin and she kept under the basket. Who bought the basket? While Mona and her mother are coming from the home, at that time only they were carrying the basket with them. So she took a pumpkin which is in small size and she took and she kept under the basket. Okay. So what is the color of the pumpkin? Green color, huh? No. Pink color pumpkin, huh? No. Then dark yellowish color. What is the color of the pumpkin? Dark yellowish color. So how is the color of the pumpkin? Dark yellowish color. So this is the color of the pumpkin which her mother had bought. Then what the next Mona is telling to her mother? Say. What she is telling? What she is telling? I know only this pumpkin she is telling. No, then what she is telling? Yes, she is asking, she is taking permission of her mother to take the carrots. What she wants? She need a carrot. So she is taking permission to her mother. Mother, can I take these carrots, please? It's looking very nice. So the carrots are looking very nice. I want the carrots, mother. Who is asking? Mona is asking to her mother. Then what the Mona's mother is saying? Hey, no need, you keep that there. She said like that. She said yes, you can take it. She said we don't know. So we had to wait for the next class. Till then what you had to do? What you had to do? You had to complete the work. You had to learn more vegetables, and once if possible visit to the market with your parents. When your parents are going to the market, you request them to take with them. Okay, will you request them? Okay. Our half part of the veggie world lesson, isn't it? Yes. So in the next class we shall continue some more part. Until then, read the lesson twice, not only one time. You have to read 2 or more than 2 times. You have to read the lesson. Okay. In the next class we shall discuss what Mona's mother is going to tell her. Okay. Until then, bye bye.